Happy Memorial Day! It's Memorial Day! We're drinking. We have leftover wine from Saturday. I wasn't going to make a video today. In fact, I was going to eat pizza. Even though I did buy hot dogs, Nathan's Jumbo. I'm in the mood for some larger Franks. Oh, 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 oh. Ow! Beautiful. You know, I'll deal with my diet next week, okay? I'm working on it. We need a new diet plan. Toasting the buns is optional. Unfortunately, they're a little lopsided. Hey, 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 hey! Hey, hey, hey! Broiling the buns, the rack can be in the middle. We just want to get them lightly toasted. While we're waiting for the broiler to heat up, we're going to put some slices on the top and the bottom. Very light. Just kind of breaking the skin. This is optional. Flip it over. There's one. Cheers, it's Memorial Day, we're drinking. Oh, hot dogs in the oven. I thought I was going to be eating pizza. That'll do. Okay. Lightly toasted. Now we're going to lower the rack. Second from the bottom. Aluminum, little spray. Hot dogs. Don't touch the pan with your bare hand. I'm going to spread the dog out. There you go. We will be flipping them. Oh yeah. They're starting to open up. And if you're baking, you're going to cook the inside before you can really get a toasty outside. I'm just saying. Let's take them out. Oh. Okay. Look at that. Ooh. It's like nice and dark brown, but it's not burned. I'll move them around if I have to. Oh, I don't have to. Okay. I think we're almost done. Alright, I'm turning the broiler off. Let's bring them out. Whoa, that's it, spill. They smell good. Isn't that beautiful? That's a beautiful hot dog. Nice and brown. Okay. I think today one is going to have mustard and one will have mustard and relish. Just mustard. Nice and simple. And we'll go mustard on you. Just a little bit. I don't want to overwhelm it with relish. As close to barbecue grilled as you can get. Really nicely browned but not burned. Let's take a bite. Oh, and hot. Mmm. Oh, hot and juicy. They're very salty. They're less salty when you boil them. I think we need to get some relish. We need some relish. Mmm. Mmm. If you brought this hot dog to someone, they would think it was cooked on a grill. Mmm. Thanks for joining me this Memorial Day weekend. I don't know what I'm going to say. What I'm going to say. Cheers, it's Memorial Day, we're drinking.